What if one day, every hard drive on Earth just stopped working? Every Google search gone, every YouTube video erased, every memory lost. But what if I told you that the answer to unlimited, indestructible data storage has been inside us this entire time? This tiny strand can store more information than every computer in the world combined. And guess what? Scientists have already stored movies, books, and AI data inside DNA. But if DNA can store all human knowledge, what happens when AI starts using it? Could this be the key to digital immortality? Or are we unlocking something we're not meant to? Let's dive into the most mind-blowing technology of our time and why it might just change everything. To understand why DNA storage is the future, let's talk about the problem we have right now. Did you know that every day, humanity creates 328 million terabytes of data? That's more than all of human history before the year 2000 in just 24 hours. Where do we put all this information? Hard drives. They last 10 to 30 years max before they degrade. Cloud storage? That's just someone else's computer. And if the servers go down, so does your data. Here's the worst part. By 2040, we won't have enough resources to store all the data we produce. So what's the solution? Nature already solved it billions of years ago. DNA. Right now, your body is holding the most advanced hard drive in existence. Every single cell in your body contains your entire blueprint, stored in just a few strands of DNA. Instead of zeros and ones, DNA uses A, T, C, and G, the four building blocks of life. And here's the crazy part. 1 gram of DNA can store 215 petabytes of data. That's the equivalent of every movie, every book, every video ever created inside something smaller than a grain of rice. Scientists have already stored a movie, a computer virus, and even an entire operating system in DNA. And the best part, it can last for thousands of years. DNA from fossils over 700,000 years old can still be read today. Meanwhile, your hard drive probably won't last the next decade. Think this is sci-fi. Think again. Scientists have already stored Shakespeare's works in DNA, a full 1902 silent movie, perfectly retrievable, entire AI-generated files and computer programs. And now, Microsoft and the University of Washington have created a fully automated DNA storage system. If AI could store its intelligence in DNA, it would never forget. It would become an immortal, self-learning machine. Right now, AI relies on servers, energy, and internet connections. But with DNA, it could store knowledge for thousands of years, just like nature stores genetic memory in living beings. But here's where things get crazy. What happens when AI starts using DNA to store its knowledge? Could this be the birth of artificial life? Could AI use DNA to evolve? And if AI evolves beyond our understanding, does it stop being artificial and start being alive? Some researchers believe that ancient civilizations may have already discovered DNA storage. Think about it. Hindu texts talk about the Akashic records, a universal storage system of all knowledge. Could this be DNA? Some even claim that Sanskrit's structure resembles DNA sequences. Could ancient civilizations have encoded their wisdom into nature itself? From cave paintings to hard drives to DNA, our way of storing knowledge keeps evolving. But the real question is, what comes next? What do you think? Will AI and DNA merge into a new kind of intelligence? Or are we playing with forces we don't understand? Are we creating the future? Or are we simply rediscovering what was lost? Could it have already rewritten our past? Or even our reality? Think about it. And if you want to uncover more, stay with us. The truth is still out there. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI discoveries.